Today is we were trying to analyze the unicorn data.
Yeah.
What is unicorn? Any company that is above $1 billion valuation.
Yeah.
So first I will make you understand the Python code that is underlying it. The particular what all is happening. What are the steps that we need to do? And you can practice this at home, or after the end you can just do the practice a little bit.
Okay.
So first we need to go to Collab, a notebook. We need to load the data. Okay, so see how to load the data. Just have a look. You can see my screen. Zoom a little bit. So first what we need to do is go to this place. There is a folder option here,
Yeah.
files. Then what we need to do is we need to click upload files. And then we need to, wherever you have saved the file, I will send you this file also after this. And then you have to click unicorn. Whatever file it is, you have to put it here. It has to come here. Okay. Once it comes here, then only you can load the data that is here. So once it comes here, you can cross this.
Okay.
Then what happens? The Panda is used to import the data to your Python.
Okay.
Panda as PD and then pd.read CSV. So this is a CSV file. CSV is comma separated value. So this file is comma separated value, and this is unicorn. This is the name of the file. You don't need to put any path, nothing, because this file is already in your environment.
Okay.
On the left side. So I do this, I run this code, and I do a df.head. df.head means it is going to show the top 5 companies that are here.
Okay.
I would know. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so there is a new option here now. Convert this data frame into interactive tables. Can you see this option?
Yeah.
Ah, this is interesting. This is some new feature. So this, oh my God, this is interesting. So this feature, you saw what I did, right? I made it into a edit. So now I can, you have used Excel before, right?
Yeah.
So now I can keep changing this. I can make this 50, show 50 per page. Then what I can do is I can do filter. Like suppose I want to see anything for India.
Okay.
What are the companies that have started from India?
Tata, Bata.
No, this is unicorn, but nothing is from India. Well, how is it possible? Wait, country.
Unicorn is all billion, right?
Yeah, billion. China.
Is Tata not a $1 billion company?
It is a billion, but it's not a startup. It is more of a.
Yeah, that is true.
Company.
Because startups are mainly like identifying like gaps in the market and like trying to start by yourself.
Yes. So let me run this again. Okay, so this is, we can also do charts. This part suggests charts. So it is, you click this, by itself it is giving some charts. See, categorical distribution, valuation, but it does not make any meaning, so much meaning, because it is just suggesting something. There is no proper data. You can see, right? There are giving charts, but it is not much value. You cannot make out of it much. Filter also, like what you see, visit data tables. So I think this is a new option, data tables.ipnb, wherein you can you know about how to display and all those things that are there. How to import data, how to convert it into a data frame. So there are a lot of ways you can do all these things, but it is advanced for now. We don't need so much. For now, what we will do is keep this here. and run this again. So now what we will do is we will do df.info. df.info, what it does is it gives us the what are the information about these particular items, correct?
Yeah.
So here what is there, you can see there is a valuation. Valuation is money.
Yeah.
It is an object. If you remember, money should be always in integer or float. And similarly, total raise should be in integer or float. So because it is a money raised. So these are the things that are there, valuation and total raised. So these are the money part that is there. So something is wrong in the data because this should be number, but it is character. So we need to see the data. What is the problem? When we see the data, what we see that there is a dollar sign there. And because of the dollar sign, it is not taking it as a number. Okay. Similarly here, can you see there's a dollar sign in total raised and there is a billion, which means it is not correct. It is not showing as a number. If it is not showing as a number, we cannot do average, sum, mean, nothing, right? Yeah. Correct? So first of all, we need to convert it into a number. So that is what we see. We see the data once. You can always do head 50 to see more data. When you do head 50, you can see 50 rows of data, so you will get an idea. All this is wrong. Here there is million, billion. Yesterday I showed you also, right? Million, billion and all those things, which has to be fixed. So what we will do is dictionary is there. Dictionary is basically explaining, right, about the particular data set. What all is the information? Yesterday you were asking about the financial stage. It is IPO, acquired, none. So this is the financial state that a company is in currently. Okay. Yeah. Then what happens? We have to clean the data. Before we do any data analysis, the first step is to clean the data. First, we understood the data, that this is a problem in the data. Dollar sign is there, billion, million is there. So we need to clean the data. So we will write all these things here. Clean the valuation field with the dollar sign. We need to do that. We need to clean the total raised. See this. We need to clean the billion, million and thousand.
Oh wait, what was the thing for clear? Like you said you something yesterday, I forgot what the name was. If you want to clear a billion or something like that. From dollars to
replace.
Yeah.
Replace string. Replace string. I'm going to show you. So we're going to replace string dollar. We're going to replace dollar by space.
And then what was the one where you changed from billion to like all the zeros, the 9 zeros?
Billion into 10 to the power e minus 9.
Okay.
10 to the power e to the 10 to the power e into minus into 9. That means that 10 to the power 9.
Okay.
So if it is a billion, we will convert it into 10 into the power 10 into 9 because in billion there is 10 zeros. I will show you there in the next field. But the main stuff is this is the total raise. This is the industry field. Now you will see industry field. There is some issue. Fintech, hardware, and all those things. Like suppose how you know if there is an issue here. You have seen this data. You can see it in Excel also, and you can see it in Python also. So to see it in Python, yes, dot unique. So here, ideally, what we have to do is for any these type of data, right? Industry, investor. What we do is we come here and we do a unique. So if you see industry unique, you see that first of all, fintech, you can see all this is not industry. These are name of investors. Qatar Investment Authority, Hill Ventures, these are all Vision Plus, these are all investors and they are not industries. So we need to fix this industry, we need to remove them, correct?
Yeah.
And also fintech. Can you see this double T? This has to be made as fintech.
Okay.
So this is, we have to understand. So this is the thing we need to fix. Also, we need to fix the financial stage. By how we need to fix the financial stage? We go back here, we remove this, we check the unique values. See, ACQ and acquired.
Yeah.
They are the similar thing. So we need to convert ACQ to acquired. to make it consistent, right?
Yeah.
Because it is the same thing. So these are the 5 things we need to do, and also we need to check the missing value. If there is any missing value in the data, if there are more than 20% missing value, we need to do some analysis.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we have to do now, missing value we check. Luckily, this data is small and clean. What is happening? It is running. It is running. Let it run for 1 minute. See.